Went past pretty chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope this will take it on. No. 8:39 for my weekend vlog. Today, just get up, make up my bed, pick up my clothes, go take a shower. So I'm gonna make up my bed. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is be a fast motion though. Okay, as y'all saw, I just locked my refrigerator back up. I don't think I was able to see it for her, but I stocked it up a little bit with just the leftover stuff. We'll have to go back to the store. More coffee, whipped cream. What is this? Hawaiian punches. There's nothing in here but ice cream and cheesecake. And then, we have some applesauces and fruit cups. But that's it. Food I don't have is my little macaronis down there. And I have a noodle, a cup noodle. So I gotta go to the store. So that'll be in the video. Goes back here. I also have chips and stuff. These are my seasonings. Yeah, I got chips and stuff and some hand sanitizer. Then I have stuff in these drawers. Like there's a pie. These are just some stuff that's not stuff that's anything like habit. Purse. That way I don't have to put a big bag of this. Cheese is right there. And I eat those today, which is why the tin is over there. This just has extra stuff and coffee things and tea and cups and blah blah. So this was tea right now. My refrigerator completely needs to be. But I'm gonna pick out what I'm wearing today, and I think I'm just gonna wear. So I'm gonna wear this Rihanna shirt, the black cargo pants, 13. Alright, guys, I'm back. As you can see, I'm trying to get dressed. And I'm just cleaning up like this. So yeah, this is the fit for today. Shirt, sweater, Michael Kors purse. This shirt is from, I'll put it on the screen. Pants from Burlington, shoes from Go, if I'm not mistaken. Jacket from Shein, sweater from Shein, purse from Michael Kors. Computer bag from Shein. I got this long time. Hair from me. That's my hair from Amazon. Installed by But let's see. Necklace from my boyfriend. I'm at work, guys. I'm back home and I'm a little irritated because Ruby irritated me. Sorry, I need a nap. Oh god, I don't have work Monday, like it's super free. Work free for 3 days. Yo, also next, this is what I saw on social media today. Next bus house day is on a Friday, and it's a 3-day weekend because the Monday is a holiday. So I'm like, what? Vacation. Like I feel like, yeah, we're gonna plan that. We don't plan that because 3 days. Gonna plan that. Yeah, I ate my chips, ate my applesauce, drank my juice. So I did good today. Most of the times I be having stuff to bring back home. And I had Cap'n I just had fish and fries. Some hush puppies. But I ate one of my hush puppies. Hey guys, so it's 9:59. It's 10 o'clock. I've been up since like 7 something, but I haven't been to sleep. So I low key kind of been up since like 8, 9. My alarm had went off. I'm finna go wash my face, brush my teeth. If I can polish my. I just keep leaving this freaking fridge open. And you know, I keep getting all that frost on it from being open. And so I had to clean it out. I had to get some more towelware. My toes are polished. I guess I'm gonna go fix food to eat. Still only 11. I don't have anything to do. Fuck 4. I have to leave the house at 3:30. Bye. Bye. I told you not to step on my toes. My phone would fall. But I'm gonna fix some stuff first. I'm about to go get my tripod so I can see because my phone go fall. It's sitting in this. Song. I'm just gonna put on some flight. I was gonna do cute today, but it's rains. I'm gonna put on this little stitch shirt and these white Fashion Nova jeans with my blue with these stitch Crocs and some stitch socks. I'll be back. Take a little makeup there. Y'all see how I melt that lace every day? It look like no lace had been melted. It look like y'all see how it just look like it just came on myself. I just greased. Look. It was a look like it was a little thing with lace. This wig had lace on it. I don't know where it went though. No, it's not playing so much. Hey guys. My nail tuck. Doing my nails done. So next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be like, I'm okay. Judging. I know I said I was gonna come back, but I'm gonna show y'all when I get my life together. It has an L on it. Can you see that? Yep, brilliant. You up so early in the morning. It's not even there. It's 11 o'clock. Y'all, like I was saying, if you know me, you know. If you've been knowing me since like 6th grade, you know I've been playing with the long. I never got short. I always wear long nails. So always my teeth. This is how a princess per shower. What are you doing? Can you open my nail polish down? Thank you. I got this. After you get out the shower, can we do it? Dang, y'all wake up early in the morning and just want to do stuff like you don't even give nobody no chance to wake up. I just get out the bed. Can I have a sausage egg McGriddle first? I tie my hair down. And I'll pink down from my head to my toe. Let's go to the grocery store today. Yeah, so here at Walmart, me and my steak, but he fixing my basket. Get food for me to cook today, food for my refrigerator. Oh, I have to get paper plates. Don't let me forget. Well, it's a rocket master. Forget paper plates.
No, you don't.
And now, picture y'all. We're in Walmart. I don't think he want to be on the camera, so I'm not gonna show him. You want to be on the camera? He don't want to be on the camera today. Sorry. He lame. That's why my nails got ill on the end. Out of what?
Lime shit.
Yeah.
So, I'm looking for a kiss.
I'm not no sure. Oh, two.
What's your who again?
Napkins.
Oh, napkins and not napkins, tissue and
Yeah.
plates.
I'm gonna go get to the bridge, the bridge. Bridge. Going to the bridge. Something from the passage.
Need some noodles.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I did not record because I had to use my phone to scan all this stuff. My lace ashy, but we gonna enjoy that. Y'all, so many people kept stopping us in that stuff. Talking about, oh my God, y'all like y'all in high school. Oh my God, I used to be your shade. Girl, I used to not be my shade. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I got groceries. My refrigerator. Don't put all the juices up first. You gonna help me? Well, obviously, I'm not gonna put them all in there.
Get the main stuff in you on that first.
Why?
You can always get some ice, put your juice on it.
I don't want no ice on my juice.
Oh, well.
These. What's these? You got a jar right there? Yeah, on the counter. That jar.
That glass one?
Yeah. I got too much to drink. I got these two. These the only kind I like. The other ones are biscuits, sausage biscuits. So, is it just look like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think. I don't know how y'all put maybe. It don't tip it over now. It might leak.
Sausage. I mean, pepperoni and cheese. Can't have cheese. Got two of these with. One of them. Seems like I got a lot of stuff. I really did it. I really did it. It just got back to just looking like I got a lot. They had the strawberry ones. I had the strawberry ones last time. And I think I like these too. Popcorn. Serious. Oh, I got some. This looks so big. This looks so big, bad.
Real kickback. Big bag, big bag.
My back ain't big. Anyways, I got these guys. So
And she don't know what she gonna put.
Put keep me here. I don't know where I'm going. Oh no, I'm gonna put them back over there.
Yeah.
And I got these air fresheners because I got one. And they smell like vanilla and pink papaya, but I just like the vanilla smell. And I got some more. I got this for my boyfriend. I guess he wanted me to say that, but yeah, I got these. I got some. Yeah. This is, oh, and I got some milk. This is what this is. It's not orange. The contain the jar is orange. But yeah, that's it. So, this is the food that I cooked. I'm gonna talk about it in one of these clips, but y'all, this food was so good. It was hamburger steak, mashed potatoes. Y'all see the rest, but it's so good. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in my pajamas, and I'm gonna open this. This one's small too.
They'll be home in the next 10 minutes.
It look like this is top, but it's so cute, guys. It's so cute. It's the bottom. So it's 12:09. I've been up since like 10:30, but I didn't get out the bed or nothing. So I'm gonna go wash my face and brush my teeth. I was watching back my clips for this video because I was trying to see if I got enough content and if it's gonna be interesting. And it should be interesting for the most part. I didn't really get to record while I was in Walmart because I'm a Walmart Plus. I have a Walmart Plus membership right now. You're shopping. You can check out while you're shopping. So you basically get all your items, scan all your items, while you put them in your basket. You can bring your own bags in. But I just use Walmart bags, and then when you get to the register, you have to go to self-checkout. When you get to a self-checkout register, you just scan the little barcode on your phone, and you check out which your payment method is on your phone. Boom! Yesterday, because I cooked Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes, broccoli, and a roll, and it was so good, y'all. That was my first time making Salisbury steak or hamburger steak, whatever you want to call it. That was my first time making it. So it was my first time making gravy, and the gravy was trial and error, but now I know exactly how to make it and exactly what to do and what not to do. So yeah, very good. Like when I tell y'all that meal hit down, like it was so good. Like my boyfriend cleaned his plate. He cleaned his plate and he took food home. So I know he was messing with that. He was messing with that for real. If y'all want to know like how I cook certain stuff, just put it in the description. Just put it in the comments. Like if y'all want to know how I made that banana pudding, I make some of it at some point. Not right now because I literally just made some. But like yeah, if y'all want like little recipes or like little things for me cooking, just let me know. But okay, so that clip was kind of long, so I was talking a lot, but I wanted to just get all that out there. So now I'm gonna go wash my face. Pick up my bed again. Some who don't know what you is. It is something. Let me just listen. That song was side because I really need to go look in the car, see if I left my tripod in there. Because the last time I had it was in the car. Y'all, me buying a whole case of noodles was very big package. But I love the noodles so bad, and for me to not have to keep going to the store just buying a couple, I was like, let me just buy the whole case. But we're wearing. So I'm just turning the lights on. Whether you're painting one eye. Oh yeah, back at the house. I'm gonna make some baby macaroni, potato salad, apparently. That's what I'm making. My grandma barbecue. Okay guys, so I'm about to cook, and I didn't tell y'all, but I had got dressed to go to the store to get this stuff. But yeah, because I know the clip kind of just popped in there. But yeah, so I'm making the ground beef right now. Them all my seasonings and stuff. And I had cleaned up the counters and stuff while I was cooking because it was a little too cluttered over there for me. But yeah, I'm just browning the ground beef, and then I'm gonna end up put some bell peppers and onions in there, and then I'm gonna add that to the baked beans. I'm just pouring the baked beans in the pan, and I definitely put some butter in there, and then I'm putting the ground beef, and then I'm end up adding some mustard, jelly, some grape jelly, some barbecue sauce, and some sugar. We didn't have no brown sugar, so I had to use the white sugar, but it still came out real good, real tasty, real nice. Very demure. Let me stop playing. Now I'm making the cheese sauce for the macaroni, and then I'm gonna make put the macaroni together in the pan and stuff. I did put some potatoes on for the potato salad, but I'm not making a potato salad. My grandma is making it. But yeah, now I'm making my cheese sauce. I ain't show y'all all the cheeses that I use, so yeah. But yeah, and then I'm gonna end up mixing that into the noodles, and I also put an egg in my macaroni. If you don't like that, I don't care. It's my macaroni. You make yours how you make yours, and I make mine how I make mine. But anyways, yeah, then I sprayed Pam on the pans, and then I season my macaroni too. Make sure you season it. Then we're gonna pop that in the oven after we top it with the cheese, paprika, and some parsley. I put that in the oven, and then I'm just gonna pop. It's gonna pop to me seasoning this chicken. I did half no barbecue sauce, half with barbecue sauce, and then I started seasoning the ribs, but I didn't get the whole clip of me seasoning the ribs. Also did not end this video, so I'm gonna end it now. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of Leah Gang, because if you ain't gang, you lame, and that's on period. Hit that bell to turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, we will get out of today's video. LOL. Okay, y'all, so I just got done seasoning the ribs. Y'all saw me season the chicken with one with barbecue sauce, one don't got barbecue sauce. I also made the macaroni. I made the baked beans. Baked beans, macaroni. My grandma gonna make the potato salad because I don't want that. Wait.